गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, भाइयों बहनों, ऑफिशियल्स, प्रोफेशनल्स, लर्नर्स, लिसनर्स, स्पोर्ट्समैन, स्कॉलर्स, डॉक्टर्स, मिनिस्टर्स, लिसनिंग or listeners from the field of science, education, spirituality, religion, arts, commerce and engineering. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable, and you are more trustworthy because you are getting advantage of listening the truth of science and spirituality. So now we are knowing steps to building a positive attitude. During childhood we form attitudes that last a lifetime. Undoubtedly, it would be a lot easier and better to have acquired a positive attitude during our formative years. Does that mean if we acquire a negative attitude, whether by design or by default, we are stuck with it? Of course not. Can we change? Yes. Is it easy? Absolutely not. How do you build and maintain a positive attitude? Become aware of the principles that build a positive attitude. Desire to be positive. Cultivate the discipline and dedication to practice those principles. As adults, regardless of our environment, education and experience, who is responsible for our attitude? We have to accept responsibility sometime in our lives. We blame everyone and everything but ourselves. It is up to us to choose our attitude every morning. As adults, we need to accept responsibility for our behavior and actions. People with negative attitudes will blame the whole world, their parents, teachers, spouse, the economy and the government for their failures. You have to get away from the past. Dust yourself off. Get back into the mainstream. Put your dreams together and move forward. Thinking of the positive things that are true, honest and good will put us in a positive state of mind. If we want to build and maintain a positive attitude, we need to consciously practice the following steps. First step is change focus, look for the positive. We need to become good finders. We need to focus on the positive in life. Let's start looking for what is right in a person or situation instead of looking for what is wrong. Because of our conditioning, we are so attuned to finding fault and looking for what is wrong that we forget to see the positive picture. Even in paradise, fault finders will find faults. Most people find what they are looking for. If they are looking for friendship, happiness and the positive, that is what they get. If they are looking for fights or indifference, then that is what they get. Question: looking for the positive does not mean overlooking fault. Looking for the gold, there is a story behind it. As a young Scots boy, Andrew Carnegie came to America and started doing odd jobs. He ended up as one of the largest steel manufacturers in the United States. At one time, he had 43 millionaires working for him. Several decades ago, $1 million used to be a lot of money. Even today, it is a lot of money. Someone asked Mr. Carnegie, how with people
ਕਾਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਤਾ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਲੇ ਬੰਦ ਸੰਭਾਲਦਾ ਨਾ ਕਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਲੇ